Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Aveola app live video chat social app review. So you might be wondering, what is Aveola here that you may be hearing online? So Aveola is a live video chat and social networking app developed by Pepitama Ltd, restricted to users over 18 and older, and combines random and friend-based video chat with broader social features. Now, a stories feed for sharing updates, live streaming for multiple viewers at once, a leveling system tied to activity, an Aviola club highlighting verified and consistently active users, profile customization, virtual gifts, real-time translation, and beauty filters or mask for video calls. Now, a distinguishing feature is how video chats actually start here. Now, both users' video feeds begin blurred, and the picture only becomes visible once both people actively choose to unblur it, functioning as a built-in consent step at the start of each chat. Now, the app also uses AI-based moderation intended to detect and flag inappropriate behavior in real time, alongside standard block and report tools, and states that violation of its community guidelines, which prohibits nudity, explicit content, harassment, and hate speech, can lead to temporary or permanent account removal. Now, how do you use this? Well, you just need to download the app via iOS or even Android here, or use the web version at aviola.live, and verify age eligibility and set up a profile. Well, from there, start a live video chat with a random match or a saved contact, and basically browse or post to the stories feed. Join or start live stream here. Explore the Aviola Club section. Now, in the app, coins or tickets function as a virtual currency for accessing premium features like special filters or sending virtual gifts. Now, these are earned through app activity or purchased directly through the app's official in-app purchase system. Now, on the pricing side here, the app itself is free to download and use. So, with core video chat, messaging, and stories features included, in-app purchases for coins, gifts, or premium features are commonly listed in roughly the 0.99 or 99 cents to around $23.99 range per item. And the premium subscription tier unlocks additional features like auto auto renewing on a weekly, monthly, or annual basis, depending on the plan selected. Cancelable through the App Store account settings and use for the original purchase. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.